All right, I was upstairs working on something and I just heard something and I was kind of in complete freaking disbelief. Makes you want to like run for cover. Holy crap, man. Jeez. That's a rod knock and a half. Man, I thought there was like a giant hole through the side of the block or something. I don't know. What's up with the dog hair in there? Wow. Oh.
Go ahead. Oh, over here.
Oh man, it's puking oil all over. Yeah, we should probably just push it at this point, but I thought this thing was like locked up. Wow, that thing is really hard to kill, man. It is like a squirrel. Got a question for you guys. If you have corn and you put it through the throttle body, will it make popcorn? The answer to this age-old question coming up here in one moment. So guys, this thing, I cannot believe it's still up and running. I mean, it's barely running. It's rod knocking like a mother. And we got oil coming out of many different orifices. We just cut everything, we kind of gutted it. We got no interior anymore. Everything's stripped down. It still kind of smells like a turtle tank in there. But hey, that's a great start, man. Just got a very limited rust. Hey, look at that. Only minimal standing water right now, so that's really, really good. We're in the process of gutting this thing. So I wanted to reiterate, this was not just a complete engine destruction in vain. What this was is that our plans to do this is we want to be able to have a super nasty S10. We have the plans to do a twin turbo LS swap V8 manual transmission all-wheel drive. That is the objective. So we want to have something that's kind of like that new school Cyclone or Typhoon. And we have a number of the parts here and now, and we're gradually getting more and more parts every day. So guys, when we tried to kill this thing, it had 330,000 miles on it, and it has definitely served its purpose. Squirrel had some plans for this thing, and then really wanted to make some magic happen with this, have a really cool turbo swap. And we are going to do that. It's just going to be, we kind of changed direction with it. We kind of came up with the idea that that would be a pretty cool swap. So again, V8, manual trans, twin turbo, all-wheel drive. I think that thing should be able to beat some $200,000 Porsches on a road course, and that's what we're looking to do. Not only that, but also be really quick, straight line, hopefully somewhere in the neighborhood of about 775 to 800 rear wheel horsepower. So we're going to check out underneath it here in a minute, and hopefully we got some little popcorn kernels.
There's like transmission lines cut.
She's gonna be skeeting a little fluid here. Right here, so we're gonna do some in the oil right there too. Just for good here. So.
All right.
No popcorn.
We need more popcorn. We need way more popcorn.
Yeah.
Look at all the oil.
Here, you want me to hold the funnel for you?
Here, do it again. You ready, Jeremy? You ready, Jeremy?
That funnel's gonna get plugged.
Yeah, it's gonna probably clog.
The throttle. Okay, so the throttle wasn't open enough. Just because it was like it was getting.
All right. I didn't want to over rev it.
Well, here's the thing. Here.
Ready?
Yep.
Don't let that thing get clogged.
Barbecue. Oh!
Actually sounded like it was popping.
Did you guys put any vegetable oil in there?
Oh man, I think I got squirted in the face of tranny fluid.
Did any Pop's kernels come out?
There's a couple. Hold on. Raise it up a little bit here.
Oh, popcorn!
It smells like popcorn.
Cletus, come eat this, man. You're gonna love it.
I'll give it a bite.
Hey, we got it. You wanna do it?
Right out of George's grimy hand.
It's right there.
Oh, spicy.
Oh, here's a good one. This one's already got butter on it.
Oh. Tastes a little burnt. What was the additional item you were spraying in there? Oh, starter fluid. Oh, so they got fantastic.
Well, there you have it. It will work. It's just not the most efficient machine, but it can be done. Oh, God. The smoke rings. I think she's done. Oh my gosh, dude. That is so sad. Keep turning it over. It's like a, freaking vein.
Starter fluid and freedom in here.
That's if it cooled off and fire back
I
up.
wonder if it burned the plug wire.
lock it?
Gotta give her a little freedom.
We got a core at the junkyard, man.
Cool. It'll fire back up.
Hey, there's a package here that says squirrel.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Jeremy and squirrel.
No way.
Yeah.
Probably a shit ton of peanuts. Acorns.
Oh man, I wanted to try the hair, so I think Cooper, was this from this was from Holly?
No, that was all me.
Oh, okay.
That was my back.
We shaved your back. Okay,
Yeah.
wow.
I'm really blonde.
Golden
back
boy.
there.
Let us
I really wanted to kind of.
That's what I did.
We're gonna do some stuff with pulling the front clip and let it cool off a little bit. I want to see if it'll start back up again.
There is a massive amount of spray all over the place of all sorts of different oils, lubricants, fuel substitute, and corn. That is some of the worst looking tranny fluid. And we also had like a fuel leak. The fuel looked like caramel.
Oh, snap!
What's that? Holy shnikes! Oh yeah, the guy said that. That is awesome. Hell yeah. Yeah, he said the Jack Daniel's rye. That is sick.
Dude, we appreciate that.
That's much more adult.
Maybe we should
With
keep
an
this
adult beverage, so. Well, Keith Smith, thank you very much, sir. That is freaking awesome. That is, let's smell that.
You could even
Smell?
probably taste it.
Go for it. man.
Just kidding.
Yeah, that's nice. That's sweet. That is awesome. All right, so let's see what we see here. Oh, look at the cute little protrusion right there. That's funny. There's one. Oh, yep, there's another one right there. Oh, yeah, I'm getting a little drippies. Yeah, right down on the other side of the starter right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, this is gonna be exciting. Oh, that's a nice one right there. We're gonna keep that oil pan in the trophy room. There we go. Very cool. All right, we just came back from lunch break and you saw what it was before. It was blowing smoke rings out there. Popcorn maker. Laz believes it'll still run. Is it gonna do it? Come on, baby. Oh my gosh.
I gotta get a more reliable fuel system.
That is the most putrid trans fluid I've ever seen. Good God. Something got on fire for a second. Holy crap. Look at that.
Push it outside.
Oh my gosh. I just walked behind it all and these are like 1,000 little pieces of chewed up popcorn everywhere. Look at that. The ones that didn't become corns. Well, popped corns. Jeremy cracked corn and I don't care.
I think you should take us over to the circle track.
Oh my gosh, man. This thing is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Like rod knocking for, I don't know, on the rev limit. No oil in it. We've replaced the fuel with everything imaginable. What the heck, man?
Build the next motor.
Grand popcorn.
Yeah,
peanuts.
we got holes in the oil pan and part of the block. I mean, dude, this is unbelievable. I can't believe we got a little bit of a cleanup to do here, but that's a pretty impressive thing, I gotta say. So let's get her pulled out and we're gonna see what really nasty damage is kind of underneath there. It's a fantastic gift and I will definitely say that I am not a big fan of drinking on the job, but look, this one's to Squirrel. And thank you, Kevin, that's pretty awesome. And this one's for my homies. All right, Lazarus. Somebody asked if we could run around.
Jeremy! Oh my god! No, that's enough.
Start it, lad.
Don't start it, Laz. No.
Only probably like 5 seconds left till we kick a rod through the side of this thing. So we thought that McFarland Fabrication could do this job. They took on this job and charged me $50. Dang it, I freaking want my refund. She ain't dead yet.
is just getting hot and seizing up. Like, it'll start again once it cools off.
And we get more fuel.
It's never
Dude,
gonna
that has to
die.
be some freaking major, like, oh,
They don't make them like this anymore.
Yeah, it's not even locked up.
like that wasn't you coming off the throttle?
Yeah, I did come off throttle.
Okay, I thought it was like the friction was like.
No.
I think that the friction's got to be like just it's got to be on its last leg as far as like it's
There's no coolant, there's no oil. It's just building heat.
an engine without oil. Some of them can last a little longer than others, but this is definitely amazing. But we're pretty much short of having something that's absolutely. Look how much smoke is coming out. This is like what the floor looks like in an ER with an unsuccessful, life-saving attempt here. This is just like there's fluid spattered everywhere. I mean, this is pretty bad, and it's kind of unsafe, like kind of walking around here. All right, there he is, that rascal. I just got back from lunch. All right, hey, I want my $50 back. This thing wasn't totally done.
It was. Oh, was it like blown up? Is that what
No,
you're-
we just like trying for another 20 minutes to blow it up.
It's still not totally blown up. Damn.
$1.
We have $1.
$49 short.
Okay, we'll get it to you.
And a day short.
Yeah. It didn't blow up.
No, it was still running.
Give me the hot back in there.
It just kind of seized, but we were really, really screaming at it for a long time, to the point where I was like,
You
I mean, we
yelled
smoked
at
at the shop. Die! No, we smoked at the shop like twice more, and it was, she wouldn't die. It's
wouldn't
like
die.
it was still running, like it was still going off the rev limiter.
That's
How long?
good. That means it's got spirit.
Now it's kind of, it's finally seized, but it took a lot more effort. Like, I mean,
It's got a good spirit to it.
a noble effort. I'll give you. I thought you did it, but
Thanks.
it cranked up and she was still kicking hard. It's got no oil in it. It's got 2 holes in the oil pan.
2 holes in the oil pan
Yeah.
from
Rods. Wow. Look at it. He just mopped the floor and it's. Look at it.
It's like 10 different spots.
Yeah.
She's tough. It's good spirit.
So do I get like an IOU or something?
Yeah. Next time you need to blow something up, I'll do that one
Yeah.
for free.
It's a mulligan.
Yeah, I'll do that one.
All right. I'll do it.
Oh yeah. It'll start right up.
It'll
I
run
just
if you
cleaned
want
it,
to
so
Oh, it'll start right up.
took a long time cleaning the floor.
It's like.
Oh, it makes a mess out of the floor.
Yeah. I mean, it's up to Jeremy. You want to do it again? We should do it again. So, how bad of a job we did.
Until it really breaks. Well, time for an LS, huh?
Yes, sir. She's coming out right now. I'll admit, I was thinking about keeping the AC. It is Florida after all. I think I remember Squirrel saying something about he wanted
Steering wheel?
his mechanical carburetor back. You know what's really gross about this whole thing is that engine death smell. It's just all over the place here. Like the internal nasty. Yeah, it's gross, man.
Ghost pepper gumballs.
Don't do it? I don't think Jeremy will. Wow, you shooting a film this evening? Really bad at temperature, so I won't do it. But,
Oh god, dude, look at the size of.
just try it.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, Cooper did it.
Do it. You gotta do it now. You gotta do it. You gotta eat it. James, get in there.
I'm good.
I'm good. That's what y'all are gonna be dying in a second.
It's actually more cinnamon than anything else. Oh, that's hot. That's pretty hot.
It's getting hotter.
It's hot. Why are we doing this?
On the captain now, he
He
says.
hasn't even swallowed his yet.
Oh my God, I can smell it.
It's a gumball.
This is a really bad idea. Why are we doing this?
Spit it
I
out.
have a remorse.
They sent it here because that's.
Is it getting hot?
It's getting
This
hard.
is us, don't know.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Thanks so much.
Don't swallow your saliva. Yeah.
Spit out the whole gumball. Yeah, I'm calling it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Should not have swallowed that.
Need something. It's got a yogurt. That's probably a good move. I need a chaser.
Guys, this twin turbo V8 manual transmission, all-wheel drive, Squirrel's S10 project has started off so much fun. I've had a blast with this. All the guys at the shop have had so much fun kind of beating this thing up and kind of trying to break it and stuff, but now it's time to build it back up. So we're making progress day by day. I can't wait to share more with you as this thing continues. So guys, check us out at Fasterproms on Instagram. Do please check out some of our Fasterproms swag. It does help us do stupid stuff like this to entertain you. And again, this is also going to be built so that we can take a bunch of veterans and first responders for the ride of their life. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. We'll see you very soon. Tear it up. Shake.